took this photo. Oh my god, it's a video. So that's the place where I'm walking along the street. These are the new houses here. So while I'm walking, you can see these houses here, these homes. And across that one is a car wash. It says pre-vacuum. And some shopping center. And those are that's the car wash. That's where I came from. Are you enjoying? I'm enjoying it. I'm walking. I don't know what time is Jim will come and pick me up. But this one, look, it's nice, huh? Oh, so look at this. Nice plants. I don't know if that's cactus or agave. Those are the plants here. All right.